Wednesday night, everybody. Well, you won't see this till tomorrow because I am going to be very busy. It is already, oh, good Lord, 9:30, and I had such a busy day, which was fabulous. I love being busy, but some products came in earlier than expected. First off, and okay, the glitters came in. I'm going to show you every one of them right now because, well, we'll discuss it in a minute. But also part A um, came in. How I told you I was going to bring in the 4-ounce bottles of part A so that you guys didn't waste any of your resin making paste. You can buy the little 4-ounce jar of part A for making your paste without wasting. Anyway, as you can see, I put one of the jars in the box that I brought downstairs, and I thought it was closed, but it wasn't. But these are all mine anyway, so it doesn't matter. So there's part A. So you know what, guys? We're going to get started. And I pray this camera shows you guys exactly what we've got here. Okay, so some of the colors come in fine and chunky, and some just come on there in fine. So I'm going to show you the ones in fine off the bat first. Actually, I thought this one came in fine and chunky. Nope. Okay. Anyway, this is Colored Mirror. And I'm trying to, let's see how I can do this so there's no glare. This is Colored Mirror, and I called it that because the color, oh my good Lord, the glitter color is silver, but it has tons of extra little colors in it. It is beautiful, so I called it Colored Mirrors because they're tiny little colored mirrors. And the fine, I'm telling you, remember how well, you know I love the UK glitters from Just For You Online UK. So when I got these products, my guy made sure I told him exactly what I wanted, that they had to feel like silk. And I'm telling you, not only do they feel like silk, there's no dust, extra dust, no chunky pieces, you know, accidentally mixed in with them. They are perfect. So that is Colored Mirror. I was right. There is a second one. And this is Colored Mirror in bigger chunks. Now you can feel the difference, but you can also see the difference too. So you can get it in fine or chunky. The sizes are 0.2 50-gram jars, and this is 0.1 mm, okay? So there's this. Okay, I didn't mean to start with the twos, but anyway, this is called Rosy Cheeks because it is the most beautiful, beautiful, sparkly pink. Just gorgeous. Okay, now this one, let's get this off my hands. This one is a Ruby Slipper. And by the way, guys, the glitter, you can put it on your body. It doesn't affect your skin. But this is Ruby Slipper. Now imagine adding that to my Canela Ruby Red, what it would look like. You'd have real ruby slippers. Just gorgeous. Then we have Gold Dust. Look at this. Oh my God, that's so fine. Look at that. That's gold dust, and that's exactly what it is, gold dust. Could you imagine these in geodes or any form, any art or on tumblers. These are just friggin' gorgeous. This is pink luster. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. That is friggin' gorgeous. That's pink luster. These are all the fines, guys. Fine, fine. This is crystal blue. Isn't that pretty? I'm sorry. I know you're getting sick of me saying, oh my God, that's gorgeous, that's pretty. But you know what? If you're a glitter nut like me, you'd know. These truly are. Now we're going to do the doubles, okay? Oh, one more. Sorry. One more single. This is a slice of lime. It's a beautiful, beautiful green. Lime green. So bright. Just beautiful. Okay, so those were the singles. Now we'll do the ones that I got both sizes in. This is Silver Star, and this is the Chunky. Pretty sparkly. Holy jumping. So that now it's the Silver Star in fine. Look at that. That is friggin' awesome. Could you imagine this on a tumbler or in a geode? Just look at that. Just gorgeous. Yes, I know I'm making a mess, but it's glitter. Okay, so this is Amethyst. And this is the Chunky. Look at that. That is freaking gorgeous. That's the most close to amethyst I've ever seen in a glitter. Unbelievable. And look at in the fine. This is it in the fine. It's called Amethyst Crush. Look at that. These are all going to go on the website tonight and tomorrow morning, so give me, I've been so busy, guys, give me a chance to get it on the website and our anniversary sale up and running tomorrow, okay? Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so the next color is White Stars. Now, see, that's hard to see because it's so reflective. But it is white and silver together. This is the Chunky. And this is the fine. This is, again, White Star in fine. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I've got stuff. Okay, now let's try it. Look at that. That is friggin' gorgeous. Beautiful. That's the fine. Okay, so now what's next? Let's go with this. I love the name. This, I just had fun with this one. Is it black? This is the Chunky, and it's black and blue. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so friggin' awesome. Just awesome. Sparkles like nothing else. And this is it in fine, so you can see I've really friggin' dropped the container. This is it in fine. Look at this. Can you see the blue reflecting out of the black? That is just friggin' gorgeous. And that is it black? Okay, then we're going to go with Blue Velvet Chunky. Isn't that beautiful? That's really nice. And here it is in fine. Blue Velvet in fine. Look at that. Honest to God. I'm already picturing all the things I want to make with it. Put it on my boards. And okay, so here's the one I spilt in the box. This is Antique Gold. Look at this. This is the Chunky. Antique Gold. It is so sparkly gold. It isn't funny. And this is it in fine. Look at that. Feels like they all feel like silk. They really do. I am so happy with the results of these. They are amazing. And they are safe. They are definitely safe. They're not biodegradable, but they can be on your skin. They're fine. Okay, so this one, look at this. This is Ocean Teal. Ocean Teal. Look at that. Look at this friggin' color, guys. That is just amazing. Oh my God. So many good colors. That's the chunky, and here is Ocean Teal in fine. Look at this. Unbelievable. Okay, now we have Emerald City. Emerald City. And we will, this is the chunky. Look at that. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Look at that. That is definitely made by a wizard. And here it is in fine. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. Seriously, glitter heaven. This is exactly what it's like. Okay, now we have Lollipop Pink. And it came in chunky. Such a pretty pink. It's a soft pink, but sparkles like crazy. And here it is in the fine. Sorry, gotta wipe my hands off. There it is in the fine. Look at that. That soft, beautiful pink. Just gorgeous. Okay, and last but not least, I'm saving the best for last because it was my favorite color when I picked it out. And it has been named Deborah's Blue. Deborah's Blue. It is a fine, and it is the most amazing blue. That is just friggin' gorgeous. And it's mine. Deborah's Blue. There you go, guys. So there is all our glitter. It's going up on the website tonight. The most amazing colors I have ever seen in fine and chunky. Not all of them are in chunky as well, but there's tons, just tons of gorgeous colors. Plus, don't forget part A is in. And I have a few more things I get to test and hopefully bring into the shop, but that's a secret. Okay, guys, thanks for being with me. Bye-bye.